How's it going, guys? King Ralph here with King's Fam. We are about to make some French toast. I got everything here for you guys to see how I make my French toast. So you're gonna need a big enough plate so you can put ingredients in, so you can use the bread, so that way the bread can actually get enough stuff on it instead of a small enough plate so the bread doesn't fit in it. You're gonna need sugar, olive oil, cinnamon, salt, and milk, and some eggs. So we're about to make it for a whole bunch of us. Usually I use 2 eggs, but since I'm gonna drop off some for my wife, let's go with 3 eggs. So put the eggs in there. And then you're gonna add 1/3 of a cup, 1/3 of a cup of milk. You can use whatever milk you want. You can use creamers you want if you want. So 1/3 of a cup of milk in there. This would probably make about, I'd say about a couple French toast. I'd say about 10 maybe French toast. You're gonna need some sugar, teaspoon of sugar. There's a big chunk in there. It doesn't matter. A pinch of salt. Let's just put it on here. That looks like a pinch. You don't need that much salt. Another teaspoon of cinnamon. Not even a teaspoon. Maybe like a 1/4 of a teaspoon. You don't want that much in there. That's even too much. A tiny bit of cinnamon. Get a fork and just whisk it a little bit. Get it all nice and blended together. Make sure there's no chunks. So there you have it. Then you're going to want the bread. So we're going to cook it. I might switch out for the olive oil with butter. Or I'll put both of them. We'll see here in a bit. Alrighty guys, so you're going to want to start off with putting a little bit of olive oil in the center of it. Try to keep it in the center. Just because I'm cooking one at a time, but if you're cooking multiple at a time, just go ahead and make the whole thing. But I'm doing one at a time, so I can just focus on one. So you're gonna want to put a little bit, and then after that, you're gonna want to put some butter as well, and also just mix it around in the pan. Make sure it gets everywhere where you want it to be. You're gonna also want to wait until it gets a little bit brownish, where the butter starts to get warmer and warmer. Of course, that's whenever you're going to notice that it's time to put in your first French toast with the egg and everything, the mix. So once you put on your first French toast, you're going to wait and check to see if there's bubbles coming out on the side. There's the little tiny bubbles. Whenever they start to get less and less more, that's whenever it's time to flip over your French toast. And the same thing. Also, make sure to put another batch of oil and butter for every time you put a French toast on there, so that way it doesn't stick to the pan or burn. the egg and the mix on the French toast. So when it's ready to flip over, it's going to be a little bit brownish. So that's the perfect time to flip over your French toast. And just do it again all over again and wait until it gets a little bit more brownish on the other side. Alrighty, finishing the last one. Nobody ever shows the mess that is left at the end of the video. But we got a little bit of mess. It's alright. My sink is already actually full with dishes that I need to clean. But we made about 9. There's 8 right here. Yep, and there's one more right here, 9. So that's pretty good for what, with 3 eggs and what we had. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. We're about to go and, oh yeah, comment down below. Let me know if you guys tried it out, if you guys liked it. Like, look at that. That looks good. No joke. That looks real good. French toast. We're about to take some to my wife here in a bit. She's already messaging me. We're about to go and take some to her. So let's go do that. Alrighty, change of plans. We're going to go and take my wife some food. But it's a little bit late. She already missed her lunch. Or, yeah, her breakfast, lunch type thing. So me and Elena are going to eat instead. I hope Elena likes it. Let's see what she thinks. What do you think? Look, you want to put some syrup on it? Here. Oh, let's cut it up first. You want to cut it up? Look. Cut. There we go. All done. Okay, here. Here, syrup. You want to put some syrup on it? Let's put a little bit of syrup on it. Just a little. Look at that. Wow. That's a little. There you go. Try it. Eat one. Is it good? Is it good? Did Daddy do a good job making it? Are you gonna eat another one? Eat another one. Get another one. You missed. That one's pretty big. Oh. Is it good, Mama? Is it good? Oh, you love it. She loves it. Oh my God. That makes me so proud. I did a good job. You like it, Mama? Eat some more. Alrighty guys, we're gonna end it there. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video, and if you guys try it out, let me know in the comments down below if you like it. We'll do some more food tutorials and vlogs, of course. Also go check out my other channel. Card thing is up on top, King Ralph, where I do gaming and I stream. So hopefully you guys go check that out. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you have not already. We really appreciate it. Oh my God, I did a good job. Hopefully you guys enjoy that. And don't forget, if you guys tried it out, let me know in the comments down below if you guys like to see more of these videos. I'm sure it just said that already. Well, take it easy, everybody. Have a good night. We'll see you guys later. Peace. Bye. Say bye. Say bye. Elena. She's too busy eating. Bye. Let's go.